So check out this Dodge sitting in the south end of SEMA. That's pretty nice. Tons and tons of parts on this thing. It's nice. I like how they got the LED tucked into the grill. Big humongous bumper. Who makes this bumper? Hammerhead? Yeah, Hammerhead bumper, I guess it is. Horn winch, rigid lights, pretty much the usual at SEMA. Ultra Motorsport wheels. The General Grabber tires. Very cool. Tons of LEDs on that roof rack. Got a mat tracks up there, I think it is. Bennett built. This is a truck bed rack with a rooftop tent. That's CVT. Got your high lift jack. What kind of suspension they got in here? Ooh, oh, it's an airbag suspension with Bilsteins. Yeah, I see airbags in there. Got the roto packs. I see a ice chest, full-size spare tucked away. Oh, he's got backup camera. Ah, check out these little tiny LED lights built into the rack. That's cool. I've actually never seen that before. The LEDs are built into the rack. I like it. It's got an axe there locked in. That's a beautiful Dodge Ram.